Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot and find the cause of pods not coming up. Without knowing this command, it's kind of hard to figure out why a pod fails to start. That can be really frustrating. So here I have an example um, of a YAML file that ends up causing an error. So this is the YAML file and alias k to kubectl. Now I'm going to try and, right now I have no pods running. I'm going to try and create a pod using that YAML file. So kubectl apply -f that file name. Now if I do kubectl get pods, you see immediately I got an error. If I keep doing it, eventually you will see the restart numbers will increase because it will start up, it will crash, and it will try again and again and again. Now, how do I know what's causing this problem to begin with? So an easy way to do this is to get just describe the pod and give it the pod's name. Even though it's crashing, it gives you all the details, but more importantly, you will see that at the very end, it gives you all the events that are associated with this pod. Before I go any further, I want to show you that you can also do the same thing with um, events. I believe it's events and the pod name. Let's see what's the. All right. Okay, get events and then the pod name maybe. And the name of the pod was that. This may or may not work, but the describe always works anyway. Okay. Saying events, not okay. Never mind. So anyway, you get the idea. So if I just do simply if I do describe the pod at the very end of this output, it tells you what went on with this pod. First of all, it got scheduled to be deployed on a node. Then it pulled the image Nginx from some kind of repo. I don't know why it does it 3 times, but it does that. Anyway, then it tried to create the container from the same image. At the very end, you will see I'm backing off starting failed container because the container didn't start up for whatever reason, and that's not important right now. But for whatever reason, it crashed after it got the image. So something is wrong with the image or the YAML itself. In this case, it happens to be the YAML. But by using the describe command, you can know about all the details of what the pod that is running or crashed or whatever the status is. So by now, if I do get PO, I should see the number of restarts increase. And you can see it tried 4 times and then it finally gave up. And by the way, when you see a 0/1, that means there's one container that's supposed to be running and 0 is actually running. So I hope this video was useful to you for finding out why at what stage the pod fails to come up. If it was, please like and subscribe because that helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you next time.